I was saying that I call it the witching hours. For me, it's easier for me to stay up, especially if I'm not in like either if I didn't kind of, I guess, meditate or pray or in a stronger state of mind, because I tend to, when I sleep, I see things, I dream, a lot of strong energies pass through during those times. I recently had an experience where I like to clean my house, move around, constantly changing things around in my house, and the corners are very important to me. Always rearranging the corners, and recently when I moved my refrigerator, I cleaned behind my refrigerator for the new year. Then at 3 o'clock, I had a visitor. Well, not even a visitor. Some low vibrational energy was in my home, and because I moved that, I cleaned in that area. It left, and it was. I don't know how to describe it, but I know the 3 o'clock is a very important time where it's either you wake up before that time and try to, like he said, be in a positive state of mind, or some type of meditation or prayer or something to protect yourself. Or for me, it's easier just to be up.
I like that insight. Like, I kind of resonate with that a bit. I always seem to be up around that time. And, like, I remember where it was times where I would even still be asleep and, like, would still wake up, like, around that time, and a lot of times it's when you're being called to help resolve or to bring resolution to yourself, because us raising our vibrational frequency and our genuineness, and just caring, for every energy, the same way we would want our energies cared for, that ushers in new templates, and the energy matters, so absolutely, as you did state, it is considered the witching hour. Because, as DJ stated, that's, like the gateway is open, like that portal is literally, right there. So recognizing that we can utilize that currency, and save a lot of those souls, that's kind of trapped in that mix, if that makes sense. That gets kind of deeper into it.
I totally agree with you, because a lot of them are looking for help, and a lot of them too, your ancestors, sometimes they need your help to bring them into the light. It's not always like a negative thing.
Yeah, I agree. And then I noticed, like, that's when my mind is the clearest as well. So, it's always awesome to get those messages, like, coming through. It's like, wow, now it all makes sense moments, like, every time.